Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pasta without onion. Many people avoid onions for various reasons, but that doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. We'll explore simple techniques and ingredients to create a rich, satisfying pasta dish. Get ready to transform your cooking with these easy steps, ensuring every bite is packed with incredible taste and aroma, all without a single onion. Building a robust flavor base is crucial when omitting onions. Start by gently sautéing 2 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of good olive oil until fragrant, about 1 minute. Next, introduce 1/4 cup of fresh basil and 1/4 cup of oregano, letting their aromas bloom. Then, deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of white wine or vegetable broth, scraping up any delicious brown bits from the bottom. Now, it's time to develop your rich sauce. Carefully pour in 1 28-ounce can of high-quality crushed tomatoes. Stir everything together, ensuring all ingredients are well combined. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen and meld beautifully. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to taste. For the grand finale, cook 8 ounces of your favorite pasta shape al dente, following the package instructions precisely. Once cooked, drain the pasta and immediately toss it directly with your warm, flavorful sauce. This ensures every strand is coated perfectly. Serve hot, garnished generously with 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of vibrant, fresh parsley for an extra burst of color and taste.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.